Hi, if you're staying in an Airbnb and you come across one of these machines and you're not sure how much liquid to put through, then I'm going to show you how easy it is. So this is the level here, and you can see a big cup and a small cup. So if we've got it all the way down here, only a small amount of liquid's going to come out, and if we've got it here, a big amount of liquid's going to come out. But how do we actually know how much to put it in? Well, luckily, they've made it nice and easy for us, because if you look at the box or the capsule themselves, it will have an indication on here. And you can see right now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 lines there. That corresponds to the 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know on this box here, these capsules, we're going to have to be having it right the way up the top here. And if you haven't got the box, don't worry, because it actually says it on the capsules themselves. You can see there that we've got all those lines there. So you know on this one to have it full. Now, let's take this one here. This is hot chocolate. With this one, you might be confused because we have 2 capsules. What it means is that the brown one's the chocolate, the white one is the milk. And can you see we only have 3 little bars there and there. So on the machine here, we've got to put it down to 3. So 1, 2, 3, just there. So that's where you would be putting it. And again, if you look at the capsules here, the brown one and the white one, it clearly shows just 3 bars on both of them. So it's nice and straightforward. There's no guesswork. You can just copy what they've recommended to do. Thanks for watching.